Today we're here to discuss this rope spinning machine and how to use it. It's as simple as this. Here we have a turning wheel. This is done by an incomplete hole with another complete hole here and a T-cross. We've got a piece of wood here to stop it being able to go in that direction, and obviously it can't go in that direction due to this stop hole. We have a weight on the back so that when this is spinning around it won't pull this forward. This is what we want to be moving. So here we have a rope just to stop that from spinning when it's under tension, and this is simply put in with a nice bar. I've had to use a piece of metal wiring just to hold that in place nicely, and I've hollowed out these little dowels here just to make a nice little stopper, shall I say. Underneath is held on with a simple cut, and then we've got this bar just glued onto the back here just as a little bit of a friction. You can add weight on the back instead, but I thought this was a nice little simple design to do it with. Let's show you how to string it up. So you simply have to add rope to 2 or 4 of these corners, and you need to make sure that they are slightly longer than what you want your finished desired rope to be. You're then going to tie the end up so that there is a loop at the end of your 4 ropes. They're going to be connected to the other end of the system. When making rope, you want to make sure that all of the twists go in the same direction. When you make rope by hand, you twist them in the same direction so that they can twist into themselves, and that forms a nice strong bond that will continue throughout. You can tell that it's done by the way in which they're all very tightly held together, and the fact that when relaxed it wants to kink itself up into another rope. Okay, so now you've gotten to this point where you've reeled up all of your line and you're stuck to the edge. You can't reel anymore, you're sorted. So you can either remove these loops and tie a knot here, and then you can remove this from your spool and add it to your own, or use it for whatever needed. Or if you need a longer rope for like winter rope making so that you're ready for the next season, then all you'd need to do is reconnect a piece of rope to each of these. Now, a good knot that I know for doing that is this. So what you want to do is make a simple throw it over, pull it through knot, right? And then you want to pull this rope through there and pull that down tight. Then what you want to do is the same with this other tag end that you just pulled through. Throw it over, loop it through, pull. Now they'll cinch down, and that can connect 2 ropes just as strong as it originally was as 1 rope.